Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get the modded version of FrFr AI or for real AI. So basically you guys are going to be able to see who is sending you everything, and you're going to be able to get the platinum version for completely free. So you'll be able to like reveal all the senders for completely free, and you get all the paid features unlocked in FrFr AI mod for completely free. So let me go ahead and just turn on my screen recording so you guys can see what I'm actually talking about here. You should be able to see it now on the screen. Boom. All right, so as you can see, we have the app here, FrFr++, and this is the app we're going to be using, guys. So if we open it up, it will say like FrFr mod, reveal all senders and more for free. So this is the app that we're going to be using, guys. It's the FrFr mod, and boom, as you can see, it shows like reveal sender, get unlimited hints to find out who sent it. And this is the platinum version. Now, normally this costs money, like for you to subscribe to it, but with this mod, we get everything in the app for free. So we're just gonna click reveal for free, and look at that, guys, revealing sender for free. And boom, Instagram user is Zodiac, 999,000 hints left remaining. So they have unlimited hints for us, and we can go ahead and just keep using it as much as we want. But yeah, that's how this mod works, guys. It's a brand new app in the App Store, and it is working flawlessly. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just show you guys how to get this modded version of for real AI. So you guys can start doing it. Before you can actually install it though, you have to just make sure that your device is compatible with the install, and for this you're gonna have to just change some settings on iOS. If you're on Android, you don't need to do this step, but let's go ahead and open the settings on iOS so I can show you guys what settings you have to change. So open up your settings on iOS, and then you're gonna go down to battery. And then in battery, you guys will just make sure that low power mode is off like this. And then once you guys do that, you're gonna go to general. And then in general, you guys will scroll all the way down and go to background app refresh. And then in background app refresh, just make sure you guys have it turned on to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data, exactly like how I have it here. And then once you guys do that, we're gonna exit from there, and then you're gonna wanna go a bit up to about, and just make sure that you're running iOS 11 or above, guys, because if you're not, then the app download won't work. But anyways, once we've done that, we are now ready to install the app, guys. So to actually get it, to get this FrFr mod, you guys are gonna open up your browser on your iOS or Android and go to this website right here called vivahelper.com, guys. So basically this is just the the place where we get the app, and to spell it, it's VIVA helper.com. So very easy to spell, and this is what it looks like. It's just got a bunch of cool apps and games on it. So to find it, you either click on the application thing here at the bottom, and it will load like the list, and you'll see FrFr mod, or you can go to the search bar here and just type in FrFr like that, and there it is right there. There's 8,000 downloads. It has 5-star ratings, so we're just going to click it. And then it will say get platinum upgrade for free, unlimited hints, and more. And we're going to click the download now button to start the download. And as you guys can see, it will start downloading the app. There we have it. So it's already starting to download it. Now we're just going to wait a little bit, and then I'll show you guys how to finish the install and get yourselves the rest of be able to use the app. And boom, it's going to be done now. All right, there we have it, guys. So it will say this website is trying to get a profile. Do you want to allow this? Just tap allow. Profile downloaded. We're going to exit from here, and now we're going to go back into our settings, and we're going to go to more for your iPhone. Profile downloaded at the bottom, and boom, there we have it, guys. FrFr++. We're going to tap install. Next, install again, install, done. And there we have it, guys. FrFr++ has been installed. Now you can go ahead and use it. Now, when you do open it up for the first time, there might be a verification that you just have to complete really quick. It's super simple. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for the video. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.